Welcome to News West 9 at 5. I'm Tatum Nguyen. Sunday evenings and certain parts of town are known for cruising. You know what I'm talking about? Police, they call it something else. Street racing, and they're trying to crack down on it. The state is trying to give them more resources to help. It's called House Bill 2315. The law gives law enforcement the power to seize a street racer's vehicle if that person involved is charged with a Class A misdemeanor. News West 9's Francisco Soto has more on how this law is trying to put a brake on this crime. Francisco.
Tatum, under this law, authorities can seize a person's car that's been involved in street racing if the person is a repeat offender or if the suspect is under the influence. I spoke to Corporal Ted Yali at the Odessa Police Department, and he tells me this is the step in the right direction. The need for speed could have life-changing consequences indeed.
It's very hard to swallow whenever you go out to one of these scenes that a crash has occurred because someone was racing on a roadway. And especially if someone loses their life, it definitely wasn't worth that 15-second joyride that they just took.
In the last 5 years, there have been almost 250 arrests for street racing. And that's only within the city limits of the city of Odessa.
Most of the time, it's a younger generation that's doing it. However, it's not all the time. These crimes tend to happen all over our city, not just in a particular area or by a particular car club or particular group.
Corporal Ted Yali believes street racing isn't limited to just Odessa, but the whole state.
I think this law is going to help law enforcement agencies throughout the state. It's really going to help them trying to deter people from racing on a highway. Being able to seize someone's car and taking away their car that they're committing this crime in should be a huge deterrent for them committing this crime.
If a car is taken away from a street racer, the police department can keep it or sell it at an auction. Yali encourages people, especially the younger generations, to look at the consequences of one simple act.
I hope they see this as a deterrent for racing on a highway and start doing it in more legal means. I mean, there's racetracks within 30 miles of here. They can go to these racetracks, they can perform races there, and then they'll have the proper safety equipment whenever they perform those races as well.
Corporal Yali's message is clear. Don't do it. It's not worth the time behind bars or even your life. Tatum?